This is where you come to splash. Ah, there's the moon shining down on us. We have the Drainpipe and the Twister. If you dare, you can try one or both. I did not dare on this cruise, so I'm on my fourth night, and because I did not dare, I did not try the Twister. Hey, that I'm sure you may be more daring than I am, and so you'll be willing to do that. Try the Twister. But this is it. Carnival Magic's Splasharoo. Looks like fun? Well, let the fun begin when you book your cruise with Carnival Magic. This is Peter from PetesCruises-n-Travel.com and allinclusivecaribbeancruises.net signing out. Lots of seating, as you can see, for the parents to hang out with their kids. The parents to hang out as the kids go splashing.